Good morning, friends. Today is 12th of December, and I'm Shuchi Runta presenting the Monday's morning market update. The Nifty lost 199 points over the week to close at 18,496. The IT sector was the top loser, losing around 6%, whereas PSU banks and the FMCG sector and Bank Nifty were the strongest, showing both relative strength and price movement. Technically speaking, the market has seen approximately a 500-point correction without really destroying any structure of the bull markets. The nature of the last week fall was much like a typical bull market routine correction. The weekly and the monthly charts are in the favor of bulls without any signs of divergences. The market tested the 18,400 levels on Friday, which is the important support level as it is the previous swing top and also a Fibonacci support level. Hence, the importance of 18,400 cannot be ruled out. We may see a pullback from these levels, and a break of this level can take the markets in for a deeper correction to 18,100. 18,650 is a strong resistance level on the upper side, and bulls will gain momentum only above this level. Coming to the option chain, we see significant call writing at strikes of 18,600 and 700, which also acts as a validation of 18,600, 650 acting as a resistance zone. Coming to the sectors, Bank Nifty is still rock solid on charts with the heavyweights like HDFC Bank, ICICI shaping up well. FMCG sector is strong and looks for further up move from here. IT sector has had a failed breakout and the bullish setup has been negated. Coming to global indices, they have also seen a price correction, and considering that the Fed meet is due this week, the markets are expected to be volatile. Dollar index continues to trade in 104 to 5 zone with a downward trend, whereas VIX is at 13.5. SGX Nifty currently trades at 18,523. To conclude, 18,400 will act as an acid test level for Nifty. Stock-specific opportunities remain in the markets. Levels for the day, Nifty supports will be seen at 18,400 and 18,280. Resistance 18,600 and 18,650. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 43,400 and 42,950. Resistance 44,000 and 44,200. Thank you.